Hi, I am so glad you are here. I just wanted to share with you a little bit about the curated wellness kits that doTERRA has just released. I am so excited about these. I think they are so beautifully crafted, and I just am excited for you to explore uh, different ways to augment your health and really target some specific concerns that you have. And so I just wanted to dive a little bit deeper into the immunity kit. So when you sign up for kit one, it's going to come in a box like this. It's a really pretty box. It's all recyclable, but it comes like this because you do get the On Guard foaming hand soap in it as well as the pump. So that's really cool. This is what the kit itself looks like. So I'm going to pull it out and show you. So it's got this really pretty neoprene case. It comes wrapped in this card. The really cool thing about the card, and I've already cut mine, so you can't. Oh, it comes in a wrap, but the inside of the card actually tells you instructions about how to use the different products and oils that are inside this kit one. So that's really cool. I mean, foaming hand wash, I think we probably all know how to wash our hands. I hope so anyway. We've learned a lot in COVID. But kit one comes with the brand new reformulated toothpaste sachets. So that's very cool. These are great for travel. Or I use this at work and all the things like that. So it's really, really awesome. You also get the foaming hand spray, or the, not foaming, excuse me, the sanitizing mist. I love that On Guard foaming hand, On Guard sanitizing mist. It is with in my purse, in my pocket, wherever I'm going. It's fantastic. It's really soothing and not drying like so many of the others. You also get, so this is really cool. This is the On Guard dental floss. You actually can't purchase this. So I think that's really, really special that each one of these wellness kits, there's something in it that you can't get otherwise. And so that's really, really awesome. So I'm going to work on my flossing habits because I'm not very good at that. I'll be real honest. And then the three oils that come in kit one are Purify, On Guard, of course, and Wild Orange. So three amazing immunity oils, as well as just three really yummy smelling oils. So that's how kit one comes, with the pump and everything. Kit two comes in a recyclable bag, along with the rest of your loyalty rewards order. Pretty exciting. The other cool thing that's about these collections, I'm going to share my screen with you real quick just to show you what I'm talking about. When you add them to your loyalty rewards order, so we'll go to wellness protocol programs. We're going to go specifically to the immunity wellness program. It shows you what is in kit 2 and kit 3, which is so fun. And the price tag is incredible. $75 for everything that you have that I've shown you is just incredible to me. But on top of that, you can add on up to 3 of these additional products. So the On Guard Plus soft gels, the Copaiba soft gels, Melissa oil, which is the wholesale price of Melissa is usually $115. You get that for $92. That's a huge savings for Melissa, which is an incredible immune oil. You also get the On Guard beadlets and the turmeric duo caps. So it's so cool that you get to customize this and really create a wellness program that is going to support your immunity in a way that is totally unique and is going to hold your hand, because you're going to, each one of these cards you get to keep and refer to and know how to use these products moving forward. So this is the immunity kit. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think.